Street Fighter, Tekken, King of Fighters, Super Smash Bros. What do most of these fighting game IPs have in common? Shitty netcode. These franchises have a cast of colorful characters with unique playstyles and creative game mechanics. Yeah. Creative. Well, I want to throw my hat in the ring and make a class-based fighting game targeted towards a casual audience for now. But first, I should probably introduce myself. Hey folks, I'm an aspiring game developer that's been hooked to game development since my middle school days. I'm not going to show my face, mainly for privacy reasons. But you can call me Mr. Jinx. Right now, I'm working on a college project as a hobby to create a prototype for a fighting game that I wanted to work on since I was a high school senior. But now, I'm a broke-ass college junior studying mechanical engineering. Plus I'm working on this project with just a laptop. And you know how laptops work with UE4. But eventually, I'll save up enough money to get a decent mic and not get future game development videos flagged for eardrum molestation. Now before I go any further, no. I don't want to make a Patreon or a coffee because money is not my top priority right now. It's going full creative mode on this project. And don't worry, this TTS voice isn't gonna happen when I start showing the current progress I made using UE4. But without further ado, let's go.
So of course, from a 3D camera's perspective, a model will be a bit distorted, look a little bit different in the center of the screen and on the edge of the screen. So this is really bad for fighting games because that will actually affect the collision and how the collision looks to the player. So we need to find a way to fix this. So again, this is just an example of how you would look in the middle of the screen and on the edge of the screen. So to address this, we created a vertex shader that we call fixed projection. So this shader eliminates that kind of sideways rotation and distortion from the 3D camera. We're not actually manipulating the field of view on the camera here. We're using the vertex information on the character model to actually kind of negate that field of view.
Remember me, motherfucker?
Well, the text-to-speech is back, but luckily we're at the end. When am I gonna upload the next demo? Who knows? But I'll damn sure have a working collision system next time. But until then, I hope you guys enjoyed this first game dev demo. Like and subscribe for more of these devlogs and comment down below if you want. I would really appreciate the feedback and criticism to help improve this game. And follow my Twitter if you want to see this prototype's progress and see my full game development log. It's just a diary. Thank you for watching, and if you'll excuse me, I'll be dying inside in college.